Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much that you people are viewing the videos. I am extremely grateful to you. And today the topic we have chosen to discuss about that is about the attitude. You must have heard about attitude, what attitude is, and how people react with the different people. This is known as the attitude. Attitude is the outlying behavior of some person. It's the behavior of some individual, how he is reacting towards a certain people. Because whenever we generally speak, one person, let's take the example of a one person X is having various and distinct attitude towards the various people. For example, if one is dealing with the child, his attitude would be different, and if one is dealing with the elderly people, the attitude would be different. And while they are dealing with their boss, their attitude would be different. And when they are dealing with their colleagues, attitude would be different. And when they are sitting in the friend circle, this the attitude is different. But these are the various aspects of the attitude. Actually, what the attitude is favorable behavior or unfavorable behavior, positive behavior or negative behavior of a person. And it is also known that it could be the biased behavior and it could be the unbiased behavior of the particular individual according to the thinking of a specific person. If someone is, we can simply mention it that there are four types of the attitude, though there are a number of the types of the attitude, but four types are most common. One is the positive attitude. If people are having the positive attitude towards any object, towards any situation, towards any place, that is known as the positive attitude. But whenever they are having the negative attitude toward any situation, towards any event, and broadly speaking, when we take the situation could be good and bad. And if the situation is very pleasurable, there is some party, everyone would be having the positive attitude. But even in the positive circumstances, there would be some people who are attending the party, but they would be showing their negative attitude. And we can make the clear difference between the two. One group of the people who are having the positive attitude towards the party, but there would be only few people who are having the negative attitude towards the same party. So this is what we call that everyone would be having the different attitude toward the same situation. And whenever they are having the different attitude towards the same situation, this is known as their attitude. And when we take the example of the event, if there is a big gathering or some event is occurring even in the educational institution or even in the colleges or in the universities, one would be taking the carnival situation as a different thing, and they would be very happy. But there would be a number of the students and the number of the people who would be having negative attitude toward that carnival, and they may think that it's better to stay home rather to go to the carnival. So this is the negative attitude toward the particular event. And situation could be good and bad. Positive people would be having positive attitude even in the bad situation, but the negative people would be having the negative attitude towards the positive situation as well. This is the difference between person's positive attitude and the negative attitude, and one person's attitude and another person's attitude. So we can simply say that every person is having a different and distinct attitude. And I would like to say that if you want to bring change in your life, if you want to bring change in your attitude, you can simply do one thing, that you can change your attitude. And if you can change your attitude, it will make a big difference in your life. And if there is a big difference in your life, then it means that you are heading towards a positivity of the life, and you are enjoying the every single moment, and you are enjoying everything which comes in your life. And this is a very much good thing on the part of those people who are taking positive attitude. So there are a number of the people, we cannot count people throughout the world, and but they would be having the major categories of the attitude. One is the positive attitude. Greater number of the people would be having the positive attitude, and they would be taking everything positively. Even in the negative situation, they would take out positivity from the negativity. And these are basically those people who are having their positive thinking and the positivity towards their life, and they are very hopeful people. They are very goal oriented people, and if they don't get success in one side, they would be moving to another side, and they would be making their own way, and they would be taking the life as the positive side. So but whenever we speak about the negative event and the negative situation in which everyone would feel distress, that could be the situation of a bomb blast, or that could be the situation of the massacre or the brutal killing, or any injustice thing, or anything which is happening negatively to the people. That is a negative situation, and everyone will feel sympathetic. And if and then in this situation people are feeling negativity, that is the normal negativity. We cannot say that if people are feeling distress, and if people are feeling dismay on the negative situation, that is the natural thing, and that is not a negative attitude. Whenever we speak about the neutral attitude, we have spoken about the positive attitude and the negative attitude. The third type of the attitude is known as the neutral attitude, and the neutral attitude is known as that attitude in which people remain uh, same. They never think, they never feel that anything can make difference in their attitude, and anything can make difference in their behavior. Whatever is happening in their surrounding, they would be just having a neutral attitude toward the particular situation, toward the particular object, toward the particular event. If you want to know what is object could be anything which comes in your way. For example, if you like it or don't like it, the situation could be going to the market is a different situation, going to the restaurant is a different situation, going to your friend's party, that is a different situation. These are the situations in which people react differently in the different manners, and that reflects their attitude, what type of the attitude they are having towards a particular situation. Positive people would be having positive attitude, and the negative people would be showing and reflecting the negative attitude. Neutral people would be will remain neutral in all the situations, and they don't show it even through their expressions. And if we further categorize it towards the children, children's attitude is very innocent. They are different from the adults, and their attitude is different from the um, adolescents. Adolescents' attitude would also be different, and they would be thinking differently as compared to the rest of the people, right? They are different. Their thinking, their emotional behavior, their emotional reaction, their attitude would be different in any situation, in any event, as compared to the adults. And adults behavior and attitude is different from middle-aged people. The middle-aged people would be thinking more maturely, they have more emotional control, whereas the attitude of the young and the adolescents, that is totally different. And how it is different? Because they have less emotional control. And if because we can simply say that anyone can react normally in the normal situation, but no one can react if someone is reacting abnormally in the normal situation. It means that they are not the normal people. Normal people will react normally even in the abnormal situation. This is the normality of the attitude, and this is the normality of the behavior. And let's take the example of a person X. Person X would be having several attitudes. Attitude towards the children would be different. Attitude towards friends would be different. Attitude towards the foes would be different. Attitude towards family members would be different. Attitude towards the in-laws would be different. Attitude towards your boss would be different. Attitude towards the um, person from with whom you are doing some business, that would be different. Attitude towards the layman with whom you don't have any long term relationship, that would be different. The attitude toward the opposite gender would be different. But whatever attitude you have, attitude must be courteous. There must be some kindness. I would and give you suggestions in the end. But before that, I would like to share the fourth type of the attitude, that is the second attitude. Second attitude is a very much negative attitude, and people would be so much negative, they become destructive. And when they become destructive, they want to destruct and jeopardize everything, and they want to rule and they want to overpower. And whenever they see any development, they want to destroy it, they want to finish it, they want to end it up. This is the second attitude, and this is extremely negative attitude of a person, and they must need to seek the psychological help, and they need to go to the psychiatrist and the psychologists to reduce their second attitude. Because if it prolonged for a longer period of time, it can convert into the antisocial personality, and antisocial personality is very much dangerous for the society and for the other people. This was a small introduction of the attitude, that how attitude work according to the gender, how attitude work according to their age group, how attitude work according to the several situations, objects, events, and events, situations, and objects. Sometimes we feel that attitudes are learned. Yes, attitudes are learned, because we didn't get all these attitudes um, from uh, from our own nature. We can say that yes, we have our own nature which is different from one another, which shows the individual difference. But attitude are learned from our parents, attitude are learned from our environment, attitudes are learned from our experiences. Sometimes we learn the attitude from the experiences of others. It's not necessary that we have negative experience and we have developed the negative attitude. No, if we have observed the behavior of the other people, we can also learn the attitude by the mere observation with the experiences of the others. And attitude are learned from the parents. For example, if we are having negative attitude towards any relative, this is, we have heard so much about those relatives from the parents, that is why it's a learned attitude. If we have negative attitude about the particular place, we have heard so much about that place from our family members, that's why we have developed the negative attitude. Attitudes are learned, because child is just like a blank slate whenever he is born, and it's the experiences which are being written on it. And later we observe the things from the environment, we are observing the things from our family members, from our friends, from our peers, and we are learning all those attitudes. If we are having a negative or a positive attitude, this is also because of our learning, and this is all because of our attitude. Let's take the example of the Hitler. How was the attitude of a Hitler? Hitler's attitude is known as the world's most aggressive attitude so far, because he was a very aggressive man. And I would like to share that he wanted to become a poet and he wanted to become a painter. And he couldn't become the painter. He was very much fond of doing the photography. He does have some positive attitude in his life, because he does have a aesthetic sense. But later on, his experiences made him a very cruel man. His experiences made him a very dangerous man for the whole society and the community. And the second thing is, he was from the family that was known as the broken family, and he never liked his father, because he was very much away from his father, but he was very much close to his mother as well. And whenever he in the beginning, he was not he was not selected in the army, but rather whenever the first world war started, he was hired and selected in the army because it was the need of time. And he was basically a postman who was delivering the post of the military, and he was delivering the mails of the military. But later on, he saw the situation, he saw the things, and he developed his own attitude. And his attitude was a sick